Good morning. Are you ready for some serious scientific evidence about a skincare routine that you want to follow? I'm going to walk you through what I do in the morning, given that we have the new Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 113. We also have added in for a night routine, of course, the Retinol 0.3. I'm going to do a separate video for the night routine, because it's just a lot, but it's really not when you get a system and you get it organized. So I have everything laid out here. I start with my milk cleanser, the hydrating cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser for my skin, which is highly beyond sensitive. Okay, then once that's taken care of, I start with HA plus ceramide. It's a booster. It's the one booster that I will not go without once I learned why. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. The hyaluronic acid, the ceramide. We want both of those. Then we add Serum C plus E. I can only use this every other day, or it's too much for my skin. I'm going to tell you what I do in my night routine to make sure I'm always supplemented with vitamin C, which is critical. Then I've got my Advanced Lifting Serum. Would never go without this either. So this is critical, super important. And then the No Tox non-injectable face relaxer, Clinical Solutions Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter. Not deep wrinkle filler, dynamic wrinkle limiter for long-term results and healing. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to talk for sure about the Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 113. Those 113, those numbers, important. Then I follow with my Time-Wise Antioxidant Moisturizer. I add my Daytime Defender and my eye cream. I'm not talking about lips here. I do satin lips all the time. And then I top everything with my Intense Moisture, what's this called? Intense Moisture Cream, I think. Intense Moisturizing Cream. That's my morning routine. It takes me no time. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm listening to a sermon. I'm listening to something that grows me while I'm doing my skincare. So that's the morning routine. Let me share important ingredients you want in your face. First of all, why is vitamin C critical? Well, for one thing, it helps every skincare program work better. So your skincare you're currently using is going to work more effectively when you add vitamin C. And of course, now we've got C and E. It's a game changer for your face for sure. It aids in the production of collagen. Aids in the production of collagen, as well as stabilizing collagen, making it stronger. That's what holds everything firm and lifted. Collagen is so important. It improves skin's firmness, fades hyperpigmentation, evens the skin tone, and protects against UV damage. Okay, so that's the Serum C plus E. Retinol. Oh, I don't have my retinol in here. It's okay. I'm going to talk about retinol more in the nighttime routine, because that's when you only use retinol at night. And I use my Retinol 0.3 plus my Nighttime Repair, which has time-release retinol. Okay, let's talk about resveratrol. Even though we're going to be using that at night also, if you're using the Miracle Set, you're using that morning and night. And the Miracle Set products have resveratrol. So if you are a repair user, as I am, adding in resveratrol is going to be key, and I'm going to talk about that in my night routine. So I'm using this because I use the Miracle Set Time-Wise Moisturizer, the antioxidant moisturizer, and this adds Miracle Set ingredients also. And then we're going to talk about this beauty. This is a morning and night. This I will never, ever, ever skip. This is so key. It's brand new. It's critical. Why? It has cholesterol, which is to maintain hydration and protect the skin from irritants. This is a barrier restore. If your skin isn't feeling right, if you're getting dry spots, if you're getting problems with your skin, you probably have a damaged skin barrier. Now, this is formulated to include ceramides and fatty acids, and the formulation ratios matter, which is the 1:1:3. So this is made by Mary Kay, #1 in the world. You know this is great. You know this is fantastic. Add this for barrier structure and function. Lipid supplementation improves barrier metrics. That's a scientific thing. Doesn't matter to you. Use this. Why do we need essential fatty acids, which are in here? Because this essential fatty acids reduce inflammation. They maintain the skin's barrier. They hydrate. So that's an important part. And then let's talk about, I've got to get down to the ceramides. Okay. Now, the ceramides, if you want a bunch of ceramides, if you want heavy duty ceramides, it's this HA plus ceramides, plus ceramide. Then this has ceramides in it, okay? What they do, let me sum it up, okay? They retain moisture in your skin, which moisture plumps everything up and makes you look like you don't have a bunch of lines and wrinkles. So it retains that moisture, but it protects from external aggressors and supports smoothness. It maintains your skin barrier integrity. So that's very scientific, but it's so important. So important. And you will see the results of this product in probably 48 hours. For sure, in a week, your skin is going to look improved. So those are the things I want to talk about in the morning routine. I have a new order of application sheet on one page, morning and then night. I actually have it in my bathroom. I also have it on my phone if I can't find the sheet and I'm in a different room doing my face. So it's important. The order of application is important. So you're, again, you're doing your cleanser. I'm looking at my cheat sheet. We're doing HA plus ceramide, which follows other boosters. If you're using vitamin C plus resveratrol and you're getting that mega product or ingredient infusion with the vitamin C plus resveratrol, the HA plus ceramide always follows. It is your chaser. Then Serum C plus E, then Advanced Lifting Serum if you're on repair, then Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter, then Barrier Restore 1:1:3, then your moisturizer, then your eye cream, then any additional moisture like my Intense Moisturizing Cream, and then your lip balm. Yes. So that's a lot of information, but I wanted to share that with you because it's important that you get started on Barrier Restore immediately, ASAP. Make sure you're using vitamin C, resveratrol, retinol, hyaluronic acid, ceramide. Those are key. I probably missed something in there, but that's for today. Thanks for tuning in.